It's a 2014 Ford F-150. The vehicle is having noise with the blower motor, so we're going to be pulling the blower motor to see what's going on. Right here on the passenger side, the blower motor is located right there. So we're going to disconnect that connector with the yellow wires coming out of it, and then we're going to take off the 8mm bolts. There should be 3 of them. I was able to get the blower motor out. This is what I found. Looks like there's a wear on the edge here. Inside there, the flapper for the AC recirculate is broken as well, but the owner of the vehicle had told me that he previously had that handled by another person. Looking inside there, that flapper is broken, but also you can't really see, there's some wear on the edges where the fan has been touching. So I believe I'm gonna have to sand this down and sand down the other side, because there's no excessive play in this bearing. This bearing's not moving. So no noise when it's moving. So let's give that a shot and see if the noise goes away. You can definitely hear it. It sounds like it had been wearing. And that's what I was hearing, was the plastic going around as you turn up the speed.
Ready?
Yeah. So the blower motor got replaced. Was able to shave down the excess wear. Turn the speed up. All you hear is the fan moving.